and strong. Hold the earth and sing just song. It ground the spirit, ground the soul. Zion roots make we whole. No Babylon can shake the tree. Zion roots, destiny, forever growing pure and true. Zion roots carry you. Zion roots firm and long. Keep the people standing strong. Every branch a holy flame. Zion roots exalt his name. It feed the children, feed the meek. Zion roots all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion roots shining strong. It bless the nation, bless the land. Zion roots by Jahan. Forever growing wide and free. Zion roots eternity. Me see it spreading morning sun. Zion roots never done. It hold the people, hold the ground. Zion roots all around. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion roots, Jah light. It keep the nation firm and tall. Zion roots, feel all. Jah made. No Babylon can break the tree. Zion roots set we free. Forever strong, forever true. Zion roots carry you. It feed the spirit, feed the soul. Zion roots make we whole. Sound again. Zion roots still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion roots bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion roots show Jah way. Eternal growing firm and long. Zion roots, Jah song. Grow deep, grow strong. Zion roots carry on. No chain, no axe can cut the tree. Zion roots set we free. Zion roots firm and long. Keep the people standing strong. Every branch a holy flame. Zion roots exalt his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion roots still carry on. Ganja and Zion reggae, yeah, man. Ay, 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 ganja, ay, ay, ay. Jah bless the world and the people, yeah, man. Me gaze pon the mountain peak, truth me seek. Wind whisper through the leaves, ancient beliefs Me heart strong, me mind free, like the sea. Me climb through storm and cold, story told. Every scar me carry proud. Say it loud, them try to push me down. Me wear me crown, faith higher than the sky. Me never die. Me see the wicked boast them gain, still vain. Them no build upon righteous sand, it can't stand. Me plant love deep in a soil, true tile. Mountains rise through Jah grace, light up the place.
Mountains will rise,
Hearts will grow,
through Jah light we overflow.
mountains will rise, faith so strong.
Jah carry we all along.
Me sing for the humble and weak, truth them seek, every voice in harmony. Unity, the power no come from gold, but story told. Mountains move when we believe, Jah achieve. Me look across valley wide, hope inside. Each sunrise I promise new blessings true, even when the rain fall hard. Jagged mountains stand tall and fear love everywhere. Me no bow, me no fall, Jah guide all. Me climb higher through the fight, see the light. Every struggle shape my soul, make me whole.
Mountains will rise,
Hearts will grow,
through Jah light we overflow.
mountains will rise, faith so strong.
Jah carry we all along.
Mountains rise, Babylon fall. Hear Jah call. Faith the power, love the key, set we free.
Mountains will rise, mountains will rise.
Me reach the top, me give thanks. From the ranks, Jah mountain stand eternal high, under the sky.
See the temple shining bright, build up on the morning light. Stone of mercy, pillar strong, temple sing eternal song. Every gate a holy flame, every wall exalt Jah name. From the sunrise pure and true, temple guide the chosen few. Traveler come from far away, temple show the righteous way. Step by step the people climb, temple stand true every time. Babylon temple built on sand, fall before the righteous hand. But Jah temple stand secure, foundation always pure. Temple of the rising sun, temple of the rising sun. Priest and prophet lift a prayer, temple glory fill the air. Children are filled with peace. Temple blessing never cease. Morning crown upon the hill. Temple moved by Jaja will. Even when the night is near, temple song remains so clear. Generations bow inside. Temple bring the holy guide. Sound of trumpet mighty strong. Temple keep the faithful long. At the twilight calm and deep, temple promise Jah will keep. River flow and incense rise. Temple open every eyes. No destruction, no decay. Temple shine a brighter day. Everlasting, true and one. Temple of the rising sun. Shine, shine, temple flame. Glorify Jah holy name. Rise, rise, morning bright. Temple keep the endless light. Temple of the rising sun. Guide the people, make them one. Never breaking, never fall. Temple stand for great and small. Forever glowing, pure and true. Temple shine for me and you.
Close meditation and ganja, ya man.
Close me eyes, me start to see. Vision of Jah set I free. Golden light, river wide. Zion angel by me side. No more sorrow, no more war. Vision open, holy door. Babylon lie can't confuse. Vision show the path we choose. Children rise with shining face. Vision fill the holy place. Elders see and start to cry. Vision lift them to the sky. Every land, every tongue. Vision show we all are one. Jah reveal the plan so near. Vision strong forever clear. Vision of Jah pure and true. Light the world for me and you. Guide the steps, remove the pain. Vision of Jah will remain. Prophet chant and priest proclaim. Vision strong in Jah name. Not of darkness, not of lies, but of truth that never dies. Mountains bow and rivers flow. Vision of Jah let we know. Generations pass along. Vision keep the people strong. Dream by night and sight by day. Vision guide the righteous way. Every nation far and near. Vision of Jah still appear. From creation till the end. Vision walk beside
rise up before the break of day. Hear the chanting a distant way. Jah whisper, plant the seed today. So me dig the earth and pray. Me feel the sun kiss me, bro. That time in always now. Roots of tomorrow start from small. Grow strong and bless them all. Me plant for the youth, for the poor man dream. Me water it with love, me keep it clean. Me see the land dry, but me still sow. Cause me know Jah love make things grow. Every tear that drop in pain turn to blessing, wash the stain. Me chant for the heart them blind. Open up them mind. Me no trust Babylon gold. Me treasure pure and old. The earth speak through the trees, sun live in peace. Me hands dirty with soil of life, still me free from strife. It truth me touch a prayer, Jah there everywhere. Me trod through valley of doubt, but me no bow out. Faith on my staff, courage me guide. Jah walk by my side, me see the people lost in pain. Try escape the rain, me tell them hold on still, Jah have the will. Me give me all for the children rights. Me say the truth in all their minds. Them spirit pure, them light divine. The next generation shine, no greed, no war me teach. Only love in reach, me say the roots connect. Me show respect. Roots of tomorrow grow from the love we sow. Water it with peace and care. Jah love in the air. Roots of tomorrow strong. Right from wrong. No system can divide. Jah live inside. Me remember my grandmother words still echo, still urge. She said, my son, never forget. We reap what we said. Some plant the wisdom deep. Even when me weak, the roots twist and bind. Old mankind, me see the world still fight. Me shine my light, me build with faith and on. Jah bless me land, me chant me psalm at night till the stars shine bright. Me no need no fame. Whoa. Jah call my name. Whoa. Me hear the thunder roll, test the soul. Me stand still, no shake. Jah no forsake. Every storm just clear the air. Make the roots prepare. Tomorrow no come by luck. We build it up. Me look to the sky and smile. Walk my mile. Me no worry about the Babylon fall. Jah justice for all. Me no rush the time for come. Me chant till it done. Me plant the seed again. Feel the pain. Roots of tomorrow grow. From the love we sow. Water it with peace and care. Jah love in the air. Roots of tomorrow strong. Right from wrong. No system can divide. Jah live inside. So when me gone, my song remain. Flow like rain. Roots of tomorrow bloom. In every room. Jah light forever shine. All divine.
Ay, ay, ay. Smoke with Stassi Gandurasic, yeah man. Me digging on me hand down inna the ground. Hear Svetka's heartbeat sound. From the soil come life again. Wash away the pain. Every seed a story told. Of love bowl. Roots a grow beneath me feet. Jah rhythm beat. Me see the chains of olden day. Them still they in a modern way. Them use the media, use the lie. Fi blind the eye. But me no bow, me no yield. Jah me shield. Me plant me truth in fertile land. With Jah hand. Me see the youths them searching tired of the poison talk. Them ready for walk. Roots of freedom start to spread from every dread. It rise through pain, it rise through flame. Jah reclaim. Roots of freedom grow and rise. Break through the lies. From the ashes come the bloom. Light up the gloom. Roots of sweat got deep and strong. Right what gone wrong. Inna the earth Jah wisdom live. Love forgive. Me feel the wind blow through the leaves. Through Jah weave. Them try cut down this sacred tree, but Jah decree. Each root hold memory strong. An ancient song. Freedom now just come by word. It must be heard. Me see the elders gather round. Feet firm on ground. Them teach the youths feet plant again. Rain after rain. Them say hold firm, don't lose faith. Freedom create. Roots connect, we all as one. Under the sun. No fire can burn it down. No king, no crown. Roots of freedom live forever. Bound by Jah river. It twist and turn through every art. Never part. Oh. Roots of freedom grow and rise. Break through the lies. From the ashes come the bloom. Light up the gloom. Roots of sweat got deep and strong. Right what gone wrong. Inna the earth Jah wisdom live. Love forgive. Roots of freedom eternal flame. Call Jah name. Through the struggle, through the fight. Hold the light. So when me gone, me roots remain. Through joy and pain. Freedom grow from seed of love. Blessed from above.
Na na na, Ganja and Zion reggae. Oh yeah. Me rise pan morning breeze, heart at ease. Jah whisper in me ear. Fear no fear, fear no fear. Me step through valley, me stand tall. Hear Jah call, me spirit roar, me voice declare. Truth everywhere. Me see the wicked build them throne on people bone. Them rule with lies and golden chain. Spread the pain. But me no bow, me no crawl. Me hear Jah call. Lion heart within me chest. Me manifest. Me see the sufferer in a street. No shoes pon feet. Them cry for mercy, cry for bread. Still them trade. Me share me herb, me share me song. Right the wrong. Me chant for justice, chant for peace. Babylon cease. Lion of truth stand firm and strong. right every wrong. Roar feed the people, roar feed the land. Bite your hand. Lion of truth never fade. Righteous made, guard the weak, lift the poor forevermore. Me walk through fire, yet me cool. Love me rule, me teach the youth fi know them worth. Rise from earth. Them call me rebel, call me wild, but Jah child, lion spirit, guide me tone. Me no alone. Me hear the drums from long ago, still them flow. Ancestral power in me blood, like river flood. Them chains can't hold no more. Freedom door, lion roar through star man flame in Jah name. Me no fear no king, no crown. Them tumble down, truth like fire can't hide. It reside. Me roar for justice, roar for love. Send message above. Every roar a sacred call. Unite we all, legal line of truth. Roar again, wash the pain. Freedom echo through the plain. Break the chain, me rest me mind in Jordan. Peace again. When the world forget the way, me still pray. Lion of truth, roar return of flame. All in Jah name. Lion of truth, roar again. Wash the pain. Freedom echo through the plain. Break the chain. Me rest my mind in Jordan. Peace again. When the world forget the way, me still pray. Yeah. Lion of truth, roar eternal flame. All in Jah name. Jah name.
Ganja and reggae. Oh yeah. Me take one step closer today. Jah guide me way through the storm and heavy rain. Still me chant refrain. Me been through trials, me been through fight, but never lose the sight. Jah wisdom lead me road, lift me heavy load. Every scar become a sign of Jah design. Me walk with purpose strong. Me sing me righteous song. Me see the people search for peace. Them soul want release. Me tell them hold on tight. Just so make all things right. Faith like fire, love like rain. Wash away the pain. No man can dim my flame. Me call Jah name. Okay, one step closer now. Just show me how. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. Yeah. Oh. Me see the mountain high, but me spirit fly. No obstacle too tall. Just an overall. Me chant for truth. Bless the wisdom of the youth.
feel a drum beat in my soul. Rasta reach the goal. Every chant, every call, lift me high. The journey long, but Jah near. No more fear. Me step by faith, not sight. Jah light my guide at night. Each breath me give thanks. No fear in the ranks. Yeah, one step closer now. Just show me all. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. Yeah, oh yeah. So when the road get rough and wide, keep Jah inside. Every step me take through, Jah carry me through. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ay ay ay, Saya reggae, yo man.
Before the dawn, me hear a sound rising from the holy ground. Drum beat echo through the plain, wash away the pain. Me close my eyes, my spirit fly under Jah sky. Every thumper heartbeat true, ancient calling too. Me hear the echo of the slave, me hear the courage of the brave. Them ancestors still attack, guiding every walk. Each rhythm carries strength and truth, light for the youth. When the drum beat call me name, me answer flame. Me see the people gather round, feet moving pan sacred ground. Them clap, them sing, them pray for peace, for Babylon release. Every sound a healing tone, from flesh to bone. Drum no lie, it tell Jah way, night and day. Voice of the drum call we home, beat for the lost and lone. Carry the word, carry the flame, all in Jah name. Voice of the drum mighty strong, right erase the wrong. Rhythm pure like morning dew, guide me through. Me feel the spirit move me soul, drum restore control. It chant for justice, chant for right, turn darkness to light. Each echo tell me Jah still near, me feel no fear. Me let go pain, me let go pride, truth inside. Me know the drum come from the earth, sound of rebirth. It speak a language words can't tell, sacred as a bell. From the roots to the crown of man, it reveals Jah plan. Every beat a living prayer in the ear. When the world grow cold and numb, listen to the drum. It teach we unity, teach we grace. One heartbeat, one race. No division, no more fight, only light. True. Voice of the drum call we home, beat for the lost and lone. Carry the word, carry the flame, all in Jah name. drum mighty strong. Right, erase the wrong. Rhythm pure like morning dew. Guide we through. Voice of the drum, eternal song. Keep the people strong. Let the world remember still. Jah only will. Me rest me hand pan skin and shell. Hear the story well. Voice of the drum never done.